Alright guys, so here we're starting with the project. Right. So begin with okay. So in the last video we have created a project name h underscore that stands for development work. Right. So now we're going to see a hands-on here that inside this particular main project we are going to create a project as well as an app of that project. Right. So how shall we do that? Let's see here. So for that, I'm having a command Django. We have already done this thing. For that, we are having a command. We are having a command Django dash admin. Keep this thing in mind. These two are consecutively coming. There is no space in between. Otherwise, sometimes we have either space over there and then we face the project. Right? Start project. So inside this one, I want to create a project named Hello World. Right? So inside this project, I am creating the project that is named with Hello World. Now let's see this Hello World is creating here. Yes, this Hello World is creating here, and if simply click here, you can see that this Hello World is being created. Right? Now, what I require here that with this helper, with the help of this project, I want an app to run, right? App to be run here, so that that app is connected to this particular project, and then further moving on, you can see that how the project is being working, right? So now for this, let's move inside this other world, and now I have to create an app. Create an app. I'm having the command python manage.py startup app1 that is a new. So what does this Python manage dot py start app start app and the name of that app one. So this is how my app is being created. You cannot see any error. This means there is no error in this. Now click here. So you can see that inside this particular Hello World project, my two particular projects, one project is created and one app belonging to this particular project is being created. Now let's see and try to understand what is the difference between an app and a project, right? So let's click here on this app and simultaneously click here on this project. Now, if you go through or initially if you want to see the difference between the project and an app, let's see how many file it contains, right? So init.py is here, yes, init.py is here. ASGI.py is there, ASGI.py is not there. Settings.py is here, no, settings.py is not here. URLs.py is here, no, URL.py is not there. WSGI.py is there, no, so with the help of these particular apps, with the help of these particular files, availability in the main project and the availability of these particular files in this app project, we can understand that which one is the project and which one is the app of that particular project, right? So guys, this is how we can create a project. Now, initially just to create something like this hello world, right? This hello world kind of thing, HTML page kind of thing, create, then what I really require to do, right? So I can see that there is a file named urls.py. So I wish to create such kind of file here in this particular folder that is named Apple. Now, what I did, I just simply right click here, new here, and I'm simply moving towards the Python file. I'm giving the name of this particular file as urls.py. Okay, so it's okay. I'm giving this name. Now, what will happen if I give this urls.py name here in Apple? So simultaneously, one more file that is having urls.py is also available here. So how the system will differentiate? Let's see. Now I'm having urls.py that is created on now you can see that URL is file is there here, and project folder, that is URL list of files. Now let us suppose I have opened this particular file. Since the reference is being shown here, we can understand that this particular file belongs to the app1, right? Now what will happen if I click here? Then this particular thing will be shown by the current directory, right? So we can differentiate between these two particular files and how these two are working. Now this file is empty because we have created it. This file was previously here available here. So what else can be done here, right? So what we are required to do is simply copy this entire data from here to here and then we paste it, right? So what I want from here now, I want to print hello world. So what three particular files are required? The very first one is app1.urls, in which we can show the path, right? So the path which is required here is this one is empty, right? Now the second one is home, view, the home, comma, name is equals to page, right? Now whatever I have done here, I'll explain it step by step to you. From there's a requirement for file this particular from dot import I import HTML, right? So this red arrow, this red underline shows that there is some error in our system, right? So if I click here, then what happens? This error has been removed. So basically, to create a simple hello world, I require three files in Django, right? The very first one is app1.urls, right? Why? Because in this I want to show that I am creating some URL so that I am can forward myself to that particular required page, right? So this is being done here. Now, what is this path? I'll let you know in a minute. Then second one is the URL path. Here also we are going to do something like this, similar kind of thing, that is path itself, and then few parameters will be there, comma, comma. Usually two parameters we give here, right? So what else will be coming here? I think. And the third file which I require here is the file, views.py. This is the place where I write my function, and whatever I wish to print on my screen like this, I can do such kind of thing, right guys? So please try to understand this basic project very carefully and very nicely so that you are able to understand how this Django field is being working. If you understood this basic thing, then rest of the things are like easy for you, because you are going to again create an HTML page there, and if with the help of HTML page you can create so many different things there and there. Right? But initial these things are required. So initially to create a hello world page, I'm required here three different files. So very first one is the apps the URL file. Why I require this? Because I want to create my own URL path for this particular hello world file, right? Then secondly, what has happened here? I have already given one path for the help of admin so that I can understand I belong to the category of. Now, secondly, I am defining the path here, right? What kind of path here? I want to view which thing? I want to view the home. What is this home? This home is the name of the function, right? Similar function that we have created in Python. Now, after that, this is an optional field. This is an optional field because I wish to give name. If you wish to give, it is okay. If you do not wish to give, then it is also okay. Right? So I'm giving a name here. That the name of my page is home page. Okay. So the first field I have kept it here empty. What exactly it is? So this is something like suppose this is also Django project document, right? So what is going on here in the Django project, you can see that what has happened. This is my original website, and this is what the further extension of URL, right? So this is what it is. If I wish to give this particular names here, so that you can see later. So this kind of things will be added here. Okay? If you are not able to understand anything from my video, then what you can do, you can simply go to your Docs Django project and create a simple project. But for your demonstration purpose, I'm doing it because this thing even sometimes creates confusion while understanding this terminology. So that's why running of a project or hands-on on a project will help you in understanding the concept of how you are going to evaluate. So the very first thing which we have created here, which was a project, this was a project. Okay? So in this project, what I tried to do is the first I created a path here, right? And in this path, I told you that this is what the home is, and home is a function. So to show this particular function, where I have to move view. Where is this view is? The here is this. So I clicked on this view, so this view is here, right? So here, what I'm going to do is simply I'm going to define. I told you what was this? This was a function. What was the name of function? Home. Do I require to pass some argument? Let's see. What basically I want to return something from here. What I want to return from here, that is hello world. Okay guys, so this is what my hello world is. But to whom we are requesting to return this particular function, right? So we are requesting from here we can see, from here we can see, here is my function, this is my function, right? So to whom we are requesting? We are requesting the local host, right? So we are requesting to the local server, right? So what we are doing? A request. So request is the parameter which I pass on to. Okay. Now to whom we are requesting? HTTP, right? HTTP response. You can see here HTTP response. Okay. So to HTTP response, this is my local server. I'm requesting it to return what? Something named hello world on my entire first page, right? That is first HTML page. So this is what I request want to make from here. So that is okay. But if we see here, we can see a red line. This means there is something missing which we require to put in. So yes, definitely we require to put a header file here. So what is the name of that header file? Let's see here. The name of this header file is from Django HTTP import HTTP response. That is our local server. So I'm simply copy and pasting here. So this is how it is. To save a file in Django, you need to press Control plus S. Okay, what is the command? Control plus S. Right. So you can save a program. Right. So this is what I told you. I require three files. The very first file in which I want to give the path of my URL. Now second is the view so that I can view this function has to be executed on my web page. And last thing, this entire app belongs to which category? This entire app belongs to this Hello World project. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to show this URL path to this particular URL path, right? To whom? Hello World's URL path. Okay. So for this, I have created a path, right? So I told you since we do not want to show any subpage, that's why I'm keeping this first part as empty. Okay. Then second thing which I require here is what I should include my what apps. So I think this particular this since the second comma after the second comma the things are optional. So I'm not keeping that. I'm keeping what I want to include here. Include app and URL. Okay. So this is what the thing I wish to enter here. Right? Now you can see here there is a red line coming here. This means what I wish to enter this particular. I need to include in my files. So you can see here plus one. If you click this, I can see here two files which are imported here. So if you want to see the definition of these files, you can simply click on that and on this can see that like what this particular feature is going to do in this channel. Now what I did, I want this include to be kept here, right? So I keep this include here and my this red button, red line is the include. Now what happened? Apps1.url. So maybe there is some problem in reading this thing, right? You can go to the document part and you can see that how this thing has been working here, right? So what it is showing here, let's see, include post.urls. Okay. Okay. So they have kept this thing within a single. Okay. So this is how my entire errors has been removed on from my basic project named Hello World. So I'm repeating myself again to create a basic project in Django. We are working on three base files. First one is helping me in creating the path, right? Path of my URL. The second one is helping me in viewing the function. This is my function. And the third file is helping me to run this path by itself, right? So these are the three basic paths on which we work. This is what the basic function is. This is what the path included here, and this is how the server is being run. Okay, so let's see here. Thing I wish to do. Okay, so this is how I did. Control S. I'm saving this thing. Now I have to run my project. Right? How I run my project? If you can see here, Python manage.py run server. So Python manage.py run server. Let's see here. Some error generates, then we will be able to solve it. No error generated. So this is what the link of the local server I received from. Okay, I clicked on this link and let's see what happens. Hello world is generated, right? So this is what my basic program for the Python for the Django project is, right? So I repeated myself that what I did, I created three files in that, given path in one file, shown a particular function which what it wants to do, and then accordingly you can change it, right? So if I wish to hello, then this correctly college of engineering. Okay, so control X, then see here what happened. As soon as I made any change over there, this compiler has been run by itself. Right? We didn't do anything. So again, I'm clicking here. Again, if you see here, the program has been generated. So it has not accepted the change. Right? So again, we need to save this program. Okay? Again, you simply need to save this program to view those particular changes. Alright, so that is a small thing, you can always do that, that's not a big problem. Now the second thing which I required, okay, so what I really feel is that this is what my basic project is, and then later on we can see how can you change the background color here, how can you add the fields over here, like any kind of mathematical function if you wish to do in Django programming, then how can you do it. So guys, this was my basic first project. Run this project. I'm pausing myself here because I want you guys to run this basic program simple. I'm keeping this basic project here itself, and then we keep on running the other different programs by itself, right? So okay guys, that's all for today's lecture. See you after some time with another lecture. Thank you so much.